Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting intent and making bold, light marks. This helps you erase later without losing proportion. First, draw a circle for the head and an oval for the torso, placing a vertical centerline to guide facial symmetry. Once done, add limb joint dots at shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee to lock pose. Make the head tilt slightly, about 10 to 20 degrees, so the character feels lively. Keep pressure light so you can refine lines without muddying the page. Now refine the initial shapes into specific features while explaining why. You add the eyes at roughly 1/3 from the top of the head to maintain correct proportions, then place the nose and mouth along the center line to keep expression balanced. Once facial placement is set, block in clothing with simple fold lines. They suggest volume. Then focus on hands and feet using secondary shapes so gesture stays clear. Make sure to vary line weight slightly to suggest depth and where light hits. Finish by committing to confident final lines. Ink or darken the strokes you want to keep, and wait for ink to dry before erasing construction marks so nothing smudges. Then add shading with hatching or a soft pencil to define volume. Use directional strokes that follow form for clarity. If something looks off, troubleshoot by comparing feature sizes and adjust a single element by about 10 to 15% rather than redrawing everything. This targeted tweak corrects proportion without losing your established pose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.